Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a home loan with Quicken Loans, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure a home loan with Quicken Loans, begin by visiting their website. Create an account to access the online application. Gather your financial documents, including pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Determine your budget by calculating how much you can afford to borrow. Use Quicken Loans online calculators to estimate monthly payments. Select the type of loan that suits your needs, such as a conventional, FHA, or VA loan. Complete the online application form, providing all necessary personal and financial information. Submit your application and await the initial loan decision. Once approved, Quicken Loans will request further documentation for verification. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information to prevent delays. Review the loan estimates and terms provided to ensure they meet your expectations. Consider locking your interest rate if you feel confident about proceeding. Schedule a home appraisal with Quicken Loans to determine the property value. After the appraisal, receive a finalized loan offer for your review. Sign the necessary documents to finalize your loan agreement. Prepare for the closing process, ensuring you have funds available for closing costs. Attend the closing meeting to sign your loan documents and complete the purchase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.